Hello students of class 8. Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the chapter is linear equation. To understand linear equation, first we have to understand few basic terms. First let us understand what is algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? For example, I write 2x plus 1. Here, ইয়াতে মই দুটা টার্ম লিখিছো না. One is 2x and another is 1. Here, x is called literal or variable. Okay. So variable আৰু constant মিলাই কেনে যদি কিবা এটা আমি expression লিখো তাক কয় algebraic expression. Okay, so if we take different examples of algebraic expression, it will be like 3x square plus 5, then 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. These are the example of algebraic expression. Now if we equalize this algebraic expression with some value, let's say 8, then it will become an algebraic equation. Okay. Now here if we look at this example, here the power of variable, highest power of variable, that is highest power of x is 1. Okay. Power of variable here is equals to 1. So if the power of the variable, that is highest power of the variable, is equals to 1, then we say that it is a linear equation. Okay. Here we can find the value of x by applying some method you have learned earlier. Like we can write 2x equals to 8 minus 1. That is, I have transposed this plus 1 to the right hand side, and the plus sign becomes minus. Now this is the transposition method. So similarly we can transpose 2 on the left hand side and we will have 8 minus 1 7, and these 2 in left hand side, it is multiplied with x. So if we transpose these 2 to the right hand side, it will get divided na, and we will get 7 by 2. So the value of x will be 7 by 2. In this way, finding the value of x is known as solving a linear equation. This is called solving a linear equation. Okay. Here in this chapter we will learn two methods of solving this linear equation. The first method is the method using inverse operation for elimination. For that, let us take one example, that is example of linear equation, that is 3x plus 2 equals to 8, let's say. Okay. Here in this equation, this is left hand side and this is right hand side. Okay. So here in the left hand side or right hand side, we can add any number. Let's say a. We can add any same number to the left hand side and right hand side of the equation. Similarly, we can subtract any similar number, same number, to the left hand side and right hand side. Also we can multiply the same number to the left hand side and right hand side, and also we can divide same number with left hand side and right hand side. Okay. We will use this method to solve this linear equation. To solve this linear equation, first we will try to eliminate all the constant from the left hand side and keep only the variable in the left hand side. Okay, to do that, first we will subtract 2 from left hand side and we have to subtract 2 also from the right hand side. Okay, now our left hand side becomes 3x, this 2 minus 2 0 and 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, now this 3 is in multiplied from with the x. x লগত আমাৰ 3 কি হৈ আছে মাল্টিপ্লাই হৈ আছে, so ইয়াক এলিমিনেট কৰিবৰ কাৰণে কি কৰিব লাগিব আমি 3 দি ডিভাইড কৰিব লাগিব না. so if we divide this 3x by 3, we have to divide right hand side by 3. This 3 will get cancelled with 3, and if we divide these 2 will get 3 1 ja 3 and 3 2 ja 6, and we will get x equals to 2. So in this way, by using inverse operation for elimination, we can find the value of the variable, that is we can solve a linear equation. The next method is our transposition method. In this method, we will transpose the constant to the right hand side and keep this variable in the left hand side. While transposition, we have to remember that if we transpose a constant with sign plus from left hand side to right hand side, it will become minus. If we transpose a constant with symbol minus, it will become plus. Okay, if any constant is in multiplied with variable, then if we transpose that constant, it will get divided in the right hand side. If any constant is in divide form with the variable, then if we transpose that constant, it will get multiplied in the right hand side. Okay, so by using this method, if we transpose this 2, which is a constant, is with a symbol plus. If we transpose this 2 from left hand side to right hand side, its symbol will change and it will become 8 minus 2, and we will get 3x equals to 8 minus 2 6. Now this 3 আমাৰ x লগত কি হৈ আছে মাল্টিপ্লাই হৈ আছে, তাক যদি আমি right hand side লৈ যাও, it will get divided na. So we can write x equals to 6 by 3, that is 3 2 ja 6, x equals to 2. So this is the transposition method. I think this transposition method is far better than that of our inverse operation method, because in this method we get our answer very fast. So if the question asks just solve the equation, then you should prefer this method, and if the question asks that only do by inverse operation method, then go for that method. Okay, thank you students. I hope all of you understood well. If you have any doubt regarding these two methods, you can WhatsApp me or you can call me. Thank you. Have a nice day.